paddling out here with Bateman up front. Got some live shrimp. Hopefully get some topwater action today. We'll see. Maybe we'll do the ye old trout catch and cook. I don't know though, man. I don't know if I want to be like stealing everybody's junk on YouTube. I mean, I am gonna eat them. I might as well freaking show you how I cook them, I guess. But ironically, it'll be the same freaking way that everybody else does it. Got these live shrimp. One of them's like the biggest shrimp I've ever seen in my life. That was very fishy sounding. All right, man, too grassy. Try this little guy. A lot of birds over there. Making my way over there. It's not always the case, but usually birds mean fish. Nothing. Alright. Here's the plan. Throw on this live shrimp, and if nothing hits it, then there's no fish here, man. We gotta move. Everything loves shrimp. I wonder if that big shrimp is like picking on all the little shrimp in there. It's like the biggest guy in prison. All right, dude, time to move. There's not a single fish in this whole bay. Oh, it looks like Bateman's on. Is it a beast? Oh man, these are like the most chill shrimp. You need to catch me a fish. Catch me a fish. You have one job. One job, Scrimp. What is going on, fish? Where are you at, man? Better not turn into a classic skunking. Bateman looks like he knows what he's doing. Let's go see if that's the case. Some action right here, man. I don't know what it is, but yeah. All right. Hell yeah, dude. That's what I'm talking about, dude. It's like 12 maybe. First fish. Oh. Little boy on a husky jerk. Oh, pretty husky jerk. Catch me fish. About to swap up baits here in a second. Even though I caught that speckler, not having a lot of confidence in this bait. It was popping there for a minute. Now it ain't. Husky jerk. Catch me fish. Time for this big beast right here. Am I under? Oh yeah, I am. Oh yeah, I am. Okay. Ooh, it feels decent. It's probably a catfish. Catfish, moth. Dang catfish. Fighting like a cat, looking like a cat. It's a cat. Get stung, man. Don't you make that noise at me. See ya. Oh, he like threw up. Weird. Weird. Baitman's hooked up. Trout. It's decent. He might be in. Is he in? Is he a keeper? Was that 3 for you? Dang, man. Ah, big strike. Big. He missed it. Dang. Maybe he'll come back for it. Come on, pimp. Oh, we are under. Under, son. Under. And of course, I'm all tangled up. Dang, bro. It's a bad time to be tangled up. Oh, it's got some weight. Classic cat. Classic cat right there. Where are my pliers? Looks like he gut hooked it too, man. No, no, no. You. He gut hooked this, so I'm gonna let him go. When you gut hook them, you can kill them pulling the hook out. So sometimes it's just best to cut it, and that hook will dissolve. He'll live. He'll live. Y'all about to see the world's biggest shrimp here in a minute. Not this guy. He's about like perfect size. Damn. Well, that was intense. Let's re-scrimp. That guy had all he could take. He did. There's a giant shrimp in here, bro. Like, I'm scared to freaking touch it. Oh my God, he's eating that one. All right, dudes, just so you can get like a size comparison. This is how you catch a sea beast. His antennas, dude. Dang. There's a guy. He just had it in his mouth. Damn it. Rip Shrimpzilla. You done, son. Whoa. Short. This guy go. See ya. He may be a keeper. Yeah, son. I think he might be in. Just short, man. Oh no, he's in. All right, boys, we're on the map. 15, right on the money, 15 and a half. All right, boys. That's what I'm talking about. About 15 inches right there. Whew. Finally, dude, took all day. Finally got on some fish. Mike, check it, check. Yo. Oh, we're on. Oh, he's pulling drag too, it's a good one. Trout, big one. Yo, we found them. All right, keeper trout number 2. Pretty, man. Just on a popping cork with a shrimp. Man, like the thing I always find, dude, is just persistence, man. We could probably grind it out for another hour, maybe catch one more, but I'm kind of feeling like it's time to head in.